Hi guys, in this video we will discuss how where function in NumPy module works with the help of various examples. So first we will cover what's the basic syntax of where function and what arguments it accepts and what values it returns. Then we will see some examples like using NumPy where function with a single condition or using NumPy where with multiple conditions. Use NumPy where to select indexes of elements that satisfy multiple conditions. Using NumPy where without a condition expression. So let's start with basic overview of where function. Python's NumPy module provides a function where to convert the NumPy array to another NumPy array based on the conditions on the NumPy array and the values of the two different sequences. So this is the syntax of where function. It accepts three arguments. First one is condition. It's a conditional expression that returns a NumPy array of Boolean. And the other two arguments are x, y. These are optional parameters. These can be an array-like structure. If x and y both are passed in NumPy where, then it returns the element selected from x and y based on the condition on original array. So if both x and y parameters are passed, then it returns a new NumPy array by selecting items from x and y based on the result from applying condition on the original NumPy array. If x and y arguments are not passed and only condition argument is passed, then it returns the indexes of elements that are true in the Boolean NumPy array returned by the conditional expression. So that's all the theory. Now let's understand with some examples. Let's import the NumPy module as np. Now suppose we have a NumPy array and two list objects. So this is the NumPy array and these are the two list objects. Now we want to convert this NumPy array AR to another array of the same size where it will contain the values from these two lists. Like for a value in ARR is greater than 12, then it should be replaced with high, and if it's less than 12 or equal to 12, then it should be replaced by low. Well, we can do this by creating a new empty array and then iterating over the NumPy array, and then by checking each value we can add the high and low in the new array. But NumPy modules provides a function where that suits our requirement here. So what we will do, we will assign a variable new AR equals to np.where. Now in the where function, so now as a first argument we will pass a condition expression. So condition expression is ARR. So this expression will basically evaluate to a Boolean array where value will be true if the corresponding value in array is greater than 12, and if the value is less than 12, then the corresponding value will be false. So let's first try this. If we evaluate this, a is greater than a, so it returned a Boolean array. Now let's call the NumPy where function and pass this condition as first argument. Now as a second argument, we will pass this list that contains the highs. Then we will pass the second argument and another list that contains the low. Now if we execute this line, so it returns a new NumPy array. And the size of NumPy array is same as the size of ARR. So how did this work? So basically this condition expression was evaluated to a Boolean array like this. Now what NumPy where function did, it iterated over this Boolean array, and for each value, if it's false, then it picked the value from the second list, and if the value is true, then it picked the value from the first list. So it created a new NumPy array based on the values from list 1 and list 2. Now for every item, how it decided that it need to pick the item from list 1 or list 2, that was based on the Boolean array returned by this condition expression. So we can assign this So if we print the contents of new array, it will be like this. So this is how we can use the NumPy function by passing a condition argument. Now what if we want to pass multiple conditions instead of a single condition? Now suppose we have a NumPy array ARR. Now let's see how to pass multiple conditions in the where function. So we will write np.where. As a conditional argument, we will say select elements which are greater than 12 and elements which are less than 16. So this expression will evaluate to true for the elements that are 13, 14 and 15. So basically for these two values. Now as a first list, we will pass a list containing A's. Now as the second argument, we will pass another list containing all B's. Now if we execute this line, so as we can see, we pass multiple conditions here. So this condition evaluated to a Boolean array which will contain true for these two values only, because these two values are greater than 12 and less than 16. So where function will use that Boolean array to pick values from list 1 and list 2. So this is how we can use NumPy where with multiple conditions. Now there are some important points to remember. The size of the list which we are passing as second and third argument should always be equal to the size of the NumPy array. So if that's not the case, then it will create an error. Like here, we passed a list, the second list, whose size is smaller than the NumPy array. If we execute this line, it will give error. So size should always be equal. Now what if we don't pass the second and third argument, the lists? What will happen? Well, like in this case, we pass a condition expression as the only argument in the where function. Now in this case, it returned the indexes of the elements from the NumPy array where this condition evaluated to true. As the indexes start from 0, so 0, 1, 2, 2 and 3. For index position 2 and 3, for values at index position 2 and 3 in this NumPy array, this condition evaluated to true. So if we want to select or if we want to get the indexes of the elements where your conditions is satisfying in the NumPy array, then you don't need to pass the second and third arguments which are optional. You can just pass the conditional argument. Using NumPy where function without any condition expression. In all the previous examples, we passed a condition expression as the first argument, which will be evaluated to a Boolean array. But what if we don't want to pass the condition? We just want to pass the Boolean array. In that case, we can pass the Boolean array as the first argument. Check out this example. Here instead of passing condition expression, we passed a Boolean array as the first argument. So NumPy where function will iterate over this Boolean array, and for each true value it will pick the entry from list 1, and for each false value it will pick value from list 2. So here in this case it picked the first value from list 1 and second and third value from second list to create a new NumPy array. So in this video we discussed how NumPy where function works and how we can construct a new NumPy array based on the conditions on the other arrays or lists. Thanks for watching and do subscribe our channel for more videos like this.